Subscribe technology channel for new hidden technology tips. First I will log in my Facebook account on public computer. Now I exit from Cyber Cafe without log out my Facebook account. I log in my Facebook account on my mobile from my house. After login I will go to account setting, security and login option. You will get list of Facebook login device with IP. Select device and click on logout. Now I refresh Facebook page of Cyber Cafe computer. You will see, it will automatically log out. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends.